everybody! Welcome to part 8 of our stocking tutorial. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe and comment down below. I love reading all your comments. In this video, we will be finishing the front of my stocking. I'm so excited. So if you want to follow along, keep watching. So here's the face of the second house. I have not appliqued it yet. I'm just pinning it for now. I put on the front pieces first, and then I sequined and beaded it, and then I placed it onto the stocking. The lines don't seem to match up, and that's okay because those lines actually don't match up, but it'll make more sense once I put the roof on, and it'll look better. So we're gonna applique this to the stocking, and I'll show you what's next. So here's the piece completely appliqued, and you get a better idea of the outline of the roof after it's appliqued. And here's the bottom of it. The stitches need to be similar in length or width apart, so it gives it a nice finish. Next we're going to put on piece 91, and that's the roof of the house. So here is the completed roof piece. I went ahead and sequined and beaded it and did the embroidery off camera. And I actually decided to add the chimney on to the roof first before I appliqued it to the stocking. I just felt like this was the better route to do, so there you go. I make sure it lines up with the pattern. And if for some reason, you know, some shows after you applique it, just rub it off with your needle and it should come off just fine, and nobody will know the difference. So I'm going to applique this roof on, and I will show you what that looks like. So here is the finished piece appliqued onto the front, and I just love the finished look it gives, so that's exciting. It looks finished. Make sure that when you're appliquing the roof, the chimney, that you're using the burgundy color, so not the white, because that won't look good. So next we're going to work on the stars, and they're kind of all over the front, so we'll be doing that next. All of the stars are marked 96, and in your felt kit you'll find a bunch of 96 stars, and we're gonna cut them out individually and sequin them and applique the stars onto the stocking. So here is my finished front of the stocking. It looks so good. It's amazing what little stars do to the finishing of the project. So it's completely done, and that's what it looks like, all done. A little bit of a close-up here. So what I ended up doing was, in the instructions it says to applique the stars first and then add the beads and the sequins. What I ended up doing was I cut out each individual star, obviously, and I placed a bead and sequin first, and then I went around the little edges of the star. Can't really see it, hold on. I went around the edges of the star to secure the star. I didn't exactly applique traditionally all the way around each star, just so it kind of gives it a little bit of a pop. You can kind of see it. Sorry for the bad camera. But I hope you get the idea. But that's basically how I applique the star. It just, like I said, it's just a quick way to do it, and a good time saver if you want to get it done quickly. So in my next tutorial, we'll actually be putting the little tag on to hang it. So there's a little tag that goes on here to hang the stocking. We're going to put that on, and we're going to put the backing on. So that's exciting. I know I've had a lot of people ask how I put the backing onto my stockings, and I'm hoping to give you a better tutorial on how to do it. So look look out for it, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the little bell to get notifications when I upload any new videos. And I appreciate all my viewers, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!